So now that you know what Bitcoin is, let's see how it works. We know it's decentralized. So how can you keep the order without a central authority enforcing the rules of the network? Well, the system is designed to work by itself. Bitcoin runs on a protocol called blockchain, which is the ledger that holds all transactions ever recorded. All users in the network have a copy of it, and all Bitcoin wallets generate a public and private key specific to each transaction. The public key is visible to everyone, and the private key is like your signature. When a transaction is made, these keys are verified by the miner to make sure that they are authentic. This is done with a cryptographic hash function, ensuring the private key cannot be forged. For a more detailed explanation on mining and the hash function, check out our mining course. Each pair of keys is specific to a certain transaction, so spending the same coin twice is impossible. Your actual identity is kept safe as these keys are in the form of random figures and letters. There are multiple miners trying to validate that transaction. The first one to do so receives Bitcoin as an incentive, and this is also how new coins are put into circulation. There is no sole decision maker. If the coin is used, the supply will grow at a proportional rate and will stop when it reaches the maximum supply. At that point, sometime in 2140, the miners will receive transaction fees as incentive. So this is a brief explanation on how Bitcoin works. Catch you in the next lesson. If you're looking for a more advanced explanation, enroll now and gain access to all the educational resources available on our platform.